Believe it or not, it's got to be like 8 or 9 o'clock, and it was an early day for us because I was prepared, and I got dinner. I start dinner when Monk, the TV show Monk, comes on.
I'm John Walsh's wife. I ride
Yeah.
hunters, and sometimes I'm in the saddle for
The weather's going to be
25
warming
hours
up,
at a time.
hopefully.
A lot of work out here.
It's not so bad.
Muck a stall, throw hay, do all the things that need to be done on a ranch a couple years ago. But Omega
It's
XL gave me the ability to
58
get back in
degrees
the
in
saddle.
here. Okay, maybe we lose a few right here, so it's like 55, 56. But, you know, she don't handle that cold weather. You know. When I want to just sit down and watch TV and whatnot, this is wonderful. You know, it's just when I go to sleep. And then they all come. This is only a small group.